Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to mute words on X. And this is quite simple. Alright, first of all, open your application from X and then tap left in the top on your profile pic. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy, and here tap on Privacy and Safety. Then tap on Mute and Block, and from there tap on Muted Words. And now we can add the words that we want. So tap on Add. And I want to mute the word chicken. Alright. Then we can choose if we want to mute that from our home timeline, from notifications, from Woo, and we can select the duration. Now for me it's fine forever. And after this we will tap on Save. And now we have a muted word, and that is chicken. When someone sends that on my timeline or in my DM, that word and that tweet or that message will immediately blocked. Alright, this is how it works, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.